1, 2, 3. Listen.
Kind of surprised the one doesn't have one.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Like, I could spend the whole day in there.
Oh, I swear to God, if he cuts over and tries to get in here. Are you recording?
So guys, what are we getting?
Furniture.
Okay, say that again.
Oh, I didn't realize Josh was recording. I left the tape measure out in the car that I brought with so I could make sure that furniture fits in the office. So we have to run back out there real quick.
Since we couldn't find an exit, what did we do?
We found these little paper things.
Are they paper?
Plasticky paper.
At Ikea, you need to write down your little, how many numbers of something you want, your little product, the number, and then the price, and the aisle and bin, so you can go over to the warehouse and find it later.
Is looking at it. This is a bunch of those. Or that's a bunch of those.
Or is it?
But there's...
Oh, I guess it is.
Oh no, these ones are actual bags.
1, 3, 4.
Oh, 47.
35. The tag says
700.
700.
871.
871.
Oh, 08.
Oh wait, that's the year I graduated
I thought you
high
said,
school.
oh, wait.
Did I hit
Aisle
record?
20,
I did hit
7,
record. Here's the question.
179.
Does it come in red? So this is a game changer because we just noticed that this thing is actually
I should store that
a
whole
sleeper
thing
sofa.
apart.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Did I do that? Hold it up.
Shop at Ikea.
Do it again.
Shop at Ikea.
This is our classic shot right here. What the? That's a scam. Doesn't work. This is a classic. So this is.
There's nothing.
I'm saying, like, I want to move this stuff and, like, lift it down here.
Oh.
Nah. They don't have a floor model?
Move the cart.
No,
Is
they
the
don't
cart
have
on
floor
wheels?
model.
Oh, the cart's not on.
They don't have a floor model for a couch.
Wait.
But they do have a wall model.
It might just be.
That's the wall model.
Shop at Ikea. Oh. So comfy. Shop at Ikea.
This next section is dedicated to my roommate Bryce. I found a room full of shelves.
Shop at Ikea.
So, yeah, window.
Ikea. Shop there.
This is going to take us forever to get through this place.
Shop at Ikea.
At all. Like, it's our nature. Dead.
Oh, they need my help.
Pantry for all your food. Like,
I like that chair. Good chair. What's our focus here? There's something going on. Oh, is it
All
on?
the smudges you have on the lens.
Do I have smudges on the lens?
This is frustrating.
It's not an easy decision.
It's not. These are super cool because it's actually light on the floor. Shortcut.
Only at Ikea can you shop with shortcuts.
This aisle 1? Yeah, this is aisle 1, so that's...
Definitely got the heavier one. Yeah, that's heavier.
I got it.
Isn't that heavier?
No.
Oh, come on.
Hold that towards you.
It's totally heavy. Not sure they know where it is.
Found him.
With that attitude. Let's see. I don't think I need a big one, but I'll grab a big one.
They have smaller ones?
Just a normal card.
Right.
Oh shoot.
So this is very interesting for me, being that I came from a warehousing background. Learned a lot there. Anyway, it seems that IKEA is saving tons of money by having their customers do all the picking for them.
Aisle 16, bin 40.
Not a bad idea.
Okay.
So I'm looking for Godwin.
So this is my first time to IKEA. It's like Disneyland for home decorators. It's actually really fun, especially for me because I'm not buying anything, but I get to look at all this cool stuff. And I was wrong earlier. I said that they have their clients do all their picking for them. As you can see, anyway, there's a guy picking back there, probably for an online order or something. But yeah, it's a really cool place. Also decided to get something. He is moving to Portland, which is going to be awesome, and he got this double wide desk. So this is what it's like. That's how close it is on it.
Parking is actually taken.
Alright, so I'm about to run out of battery. We just made it in and out of the Mall of America in 45 minutes. We ate, Taylor got a new monitor, and we played around with the Microsoft Surface. What else did we do? Did we do anything else? Oh, we stopped into the Apple store for like 2 seconds because we're looking for those new wireless earbud things. And yeah, I'm at 1% battery, so hope you enjoyed it.
In a way.
Oh, so it knows.
Yeah.
Shop at Ikea. Shop at Ikea. Shop at Ikea. Shop at Ikea. Shop at Ikea.
Pantry for all your food, like.
Shop at Ikea.
So yeah, window.